So we often get the question about how do I choose my first computer vision project? And it is a great question. There can be a lot of use cases to choose from. So what are some quick rules that we can look at for filtering through these? The first one that we try to think about is return on investment. So we want to make sure that the solution or that use case that we're choosing actually has value to it, and that automating this thing is going to bring enough value to justify the investment that it takes. This is important because there are a lot of use cases out there that could be easily solved with computer vision, and they might be good use cases, but without the return on investment, they likely will never get the business approval to actually go to production. And we've seen that halt a lot of different projects. We also want to be thinking about the feasibility of the project. So can we actually get an image to process and to do an inspection on in the first place? So can we get a camera that's going to find the things that we're looking for? Because ultimately we need to be able to see what we're looking for in the image itself so that we can label it and then train a model with it. Otherwise, there's no chance that we can actually train a computer vision model on that application. So good rule of thumb is if you as a person can see what you're looking for, then you can likely train a model to do the same thing. And then finally is just thinking about the actual integration of the project itself. So once you have a model running, can you actually get it into a production line and not impact your production in a negative way? For example, you want to make sure that the throughput of the system is going to be fast enough. So if it's a really fast line, you want to make sure that the inspection can happen faster than kind of the takt time of the line. You want to make sure you have the right integration points there as far as PLCs, controllers, factory systems that you want to integrate with. And then just the overall physical dimensions is something that often goes overlooked. Can you even fit a camera in the line and not get in the way of operators or other machinery? So these are some of the high-level things that we like to consider when going out and trying to find a computer vision project.